Tax X Final Activity English 2. Personal information. My name is Yaira Trillos. I am from Aguachica, Cesar. I am 21 years old. I dedicate myself to studying and I live in San Martin, Cesar. Place of residence. The place where I live is a corregiment called Aguas Blancas. It is small. Its climate is warm. There are approximately 800 people who were very hard working and humble. There are beautiful houses and lots of casas, rice and oil palms around it. Its streets are paved. It is as electricity, aqueducts, and sewage service. Or the other hand, the rabbits where people fish and many of them meet their needs with this. The people in this place are very united when helping the goods needs it. My personality. My hobbies are going for a walk with my friends, playing soccer, and reading books. I am respectful, studious, empathic, responsible, and friendly, but also have some negative qualities since I am fearful, distracted, proud, and pessimist. My daily routine. Wake up at 7 in the morning. I get up and I eat 30 minutes before breakfast. I brush my teeth. I get dressed. Then I have breakfast with my mother. I eat in the morning. I go to work and leave at 12 noon. I immediately have lunch with my family and then I take a night for a walk. At 3 in the afternoon, I dedicate myself to studying virtuality until approximately 6 and 9. After this, I have dinner. Uh, After while I am going to play soccer, my friends. I rise at 9. At night, take a shower and immediately go to sleep. Weekends plans. On Saturday mornings, he wash my clothes. In the afternoon, I work in a restaurant, and at night, I go with my friends for a walk in the parks. Next day, I go to mass in the morning. In the afternoon, I enjoy with my family at home, and at night, I spend it look in the room organizing the that I have pending. A significant person in my life. The most important and significant person in my life is the mother. Her name is Olga Trillos. She is 45 years old and she is housewife. She is short, thin and with long back hair. She is a very respectful person, and humble and organized person. One of negative qualities he has is very patient and gets angry very quickly since she likes to be done with each day. Happy experience. One on the experience that made me feel happy was when I went to the beach for the first time with my romantic partner. We saw many beautiful places, we laughed, sang, things, we took many pictures. I felt it by his seat and holds the most woman happy in the world. Sad experience. One of the moments where I felt sad was the days of my high school graduation, seeing all my classmates were accompanied by their parents and I was only with my mother. Since my father passed away when I was 2 years old, at the ceremony of graduation, I got desperate when I started to remember it and imagine it with me in the important event my life. Dreams and future plans. When I go professional, I want to find a job where I can work as a graduate. Living outside of Colombia is not in my plans, but if I want to travel to different parts of the world, help my family. At some point in my life, I would like to marry and have children, but long time after finishing my studies, I want to enjoy life alone first.